Hey everyone, it's Lynnea for Simon Hurley Create. I'm using some of his new products today to create a really easy, clean and simple card. So I have the Puddle Pals Stamp Set. We're going to start with that. I love that a lot of the images in the stamp set are layering images. So the umbrella has the outline that I'll stamp in black repeatedly across my background, but then you can also layer the inside of the umbrella. So you could definitely color this image. It is an outline image, so you could color it with your markers or watercolors, pencils, whatever you want to use. But if you want to take kind of an easier way, you can use just your ink and add quick and easy color. We'll get to that though. Let's start by just building up my background. I have the umbrella outline stamp from the Puddle Pals Stamp Set. And I'm just going to use a black ink and stamp this repeatedly across my background. Now I'm going to grab that layering piece that I was talking about, and I'm going to position that right over top of one of the umbrellas, and I'll use two colors of Simon Hurley Create dye inks. This first one is Breakup Blue. This is his new ink color just released. It's a gorgeous pale blue. I love that lately Simon Hurley has been adding some lighter colors to his bright and vivid line of inks. It's really rounding out the whole collection. So I'm using Breakup Blue for some of the umbrellas, and then I thought I'd use some Slippery When Wet too. I love blue and yellow together, and this light blue mixed with this yellow is a really pretty combination. So I'm just going to continue stamping, filling in all of these balloons. It's really easy to do. I'm just wiping my stamp clean, and because this is a dye ink, you don't really have to use cleaner. You see that I'm just grabbing my microfiber cloth and just wiping off the ink. That's one of the reasons that I love Simon Hurley Create inks so much, is because they clean off the stamps very easily. I'm going to continue stamping using my Misty here, and then I'm going to grab the small little handle of the umbrella. And for this I found it easier to use a Simon Hurley Create acrylic block, and I'm going to use the same two colors of ink, Breakup Blue and Slippery When Wet, but I'm going to use the opposite color. So if the umbrella itself is blue, I'm going to be using yellow for the handle. And if the umbrella is yellow, I'll be using the Breakup Blue for the handle. I love that even the handle has this layering stamp to quickly and easily add color. Now once I'm done here, I thought that I would grab another color. This is Clear Skies. And I'm going to add some clouds in between the balloons. So in hindsight, you could definitely do different colors on the umbrellas, and Breakup Blue is a great cloud blue color. But instead, I'm just going to use Clear Skies, and I will stamp it off on a piece of scratch paper. So you see me inking it up, this bright blue ink color, stamping it off, and then I'm going to stamp the second generation on my card. So I have an even lighter color of this blue. And then there is an outline stamp for this cloud as well, so I will use my black ink and I will add the outline to all of these clouds. Now I wanted this to be kind of a rainy card, so I am smushing down some of the Breakup Blue and the Slippery When Wet inks onto my work surface and using a paintbrush to just spatter some of this color onto my background. It's very subtle, and you can definitely see it better in the photos because I'll have some close-up photos for you. So head over to my blog if you wanted to see those. I stamped a sentiment onto a white strip of cardstock from the Puddle Pals Stamp Set, and I'm just going to use some thin strips of foam adhesive, and I will add that right onto the center of my card. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy card. I will link all of the Simon Hurley Create products that I used in this video below in the video description. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye! Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now. And here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.